So this is 11th of September. Okay, so yesterday I did a video on GU. I did a video on GU stating the current market bias. So we're going to continue from there this morning, stating how I have managed to continue selling. Okay, so basically yesterday what I talked about was I was expecting. Okay, now this was yesterday, which was yesterday was bullish. Okay, I had an indecision candle there. So on the previous day the market was bearish. Okay, so like what I said we were expecting market to come down from this area or this zone, to tap into this zone, markets to either retrace from this resistance level or this support on resistance level. Okay, so now basically the market did not get to that area before it dropped yesterday. Before it started dropping yesterday, I actually caught the buy, but I was unable to sell because I was expecting market to get into that zone. So this morning, now I was expecting market now to also go into that area. So the market was able to tap into this resistance level here. All right, so now let's go down. Now this was my first entry, while my second entry is where the sell position 2 is currently. So now what do I normally do? You go to the 4 hours to look for push to the downside. Okay, a break to the downside, which there ain't no obvious break right now to the sell side. There is no obvious break or to the downside right now. The market is still bullish on the 4 hours, but primarily I already taking profit of this trade because of the roadblocks in 1 hour, in 4 hours. Okay, you see this line, and this was a roadblock, right? Like I explained in my previous videos what roadblock means. Okay, so now what did I do this morning? What did I do when market tapped into this area? The market tapped into this POI. What did I do? I go down to a lower time frame, to the 15 minutes time frame. I saw a break. Okay, so when I saw that break, the break was, I needed to see a confirmation because the break was from 5 minutes. It was from 5 minutes. I took that break from 5 minutes here. So now this was the break from 5 minutes. Now I had my pending order in this zone, which the market tapped into. Okay, now I wanted to be very much careful because I was still expecting a push to the upside, so my stop loss was pretty wide and I targeted just 1:3. Primarily, if I wanted to use to go risky on this trade and use a little pip SL, I would have placed my SL just above this candle wick there. Okay, just candle wick, but I just wanted to be safe. Okay, and I had my stop loss there. So now I went back to 15 minutes, 13 minutes. Then I had my take profit in this 1:3 here, but primarily there was something I was watching out for. This was a strong low. Okay, this area is a strong low. This is a strong low, right? This is a very strong low, which I expect markets, which are called a roadblock. Okay, which I expect market to reject from, right? I expect market, which is currently happening right now. The rejection has already started happening. So I told my guys in my group, in my trading group, to exit their entries here, to exit their positions here. Okay, to exit their positions here, we exited from 2.34 on that zone. So next, that was how I took GU trade today. So what I'm expecting again, I'm expecting either the market can take off from this zone, then take off from where it currently is right now to come to this zone, okay, where I'll sell again, or it continues selling from here. But I'm expecting the market to come to this area. So I'm not predicting the market. I'm just reacting to what the market is doing. Okay, so now next will be gold. I took a gold trade today. Okay, so primarily we're going to start from the daily, like I usually say. You need to understand the storyline. So I'm going to delete this first. Okay, if we look at gold now, gold has been pretty bullish. Okay, gold has been pretty bullish. I even had trades from these areas which I did not post. So gold has been pretty bullish. Monday bullish, Tuesday bullish. So Wednesday, today, what do we expect? A bullish market. Right? So looking at this now, I saw the bullish candles. Okay, bullish candles were just flying around. So there's no obvious entry for me here right now on the 4 hours, but I'm looking to buy because why? The market is pretty bullish. So I go down to 1 hour. Using timing, market did not give me an entry. Okay, the market did not give me an entry, but I had to go down to 15 minutes. Okay, now this is where I got my entry from. Okay, now same thing happened with gold, same as GU. There's a roadblock which, because I still expecting market to push down. Now this is a very good sell structure right here. Okay, now it's all a game of probability. So take your entries wherever you see your system show up. So that's what I usually do. I do not care what I usually say, as long as I'm seeing my entry criteria showing up, I take my entry. So first entry was from here. Okay, I did not use that actually because I missed this one. I missed this first push. I missed this first push on the upside. So now what did I do? I use this now. First touch, second touch. Okay, second touch. Now I go down to 5 minutes to look for a breaker. Okay, now this is where I got my breaker from. Okay, this was my breaker. The breaker block there. So now what next? I received confluences on the bullish market, right? Comes below this week. Okay, my stop loss below that week. I actually had a little space here. Yeah, it was below, just slightly below. So my take profit was around that zone. Okay, so now the market came to this area. When it came to this area, I just noticed that this is a very, very strong high. Okay, now this is another roadblock which I expect market to react from. All right, so I had 2 orders from this market. Actually, I took my first trade here. Then my second trade I took it from this zone. Okay, so what did I do now? I closed this one, went break even on the next one to see if it will actually tap my take profit. So but I'm done for today because I already got at least 1:5, 2.5 on GU, 2.5 on gold. So that's that for how I took today's trade. See you guys in the next episode.